Good evening, everyone. I welcome you all to this live session with Dr. Ritu Budania. And we are going to talk on the topic second wave of COVID-19. Let's not take it easy. Dr. Ritu, thank you so much for being here with us today. And viewers can send in their questions. We will try to address all of them towards the end of the session. Also, you can let us know in the comments what topics we can take for the next session. Dr. Ritu, let's start our session with the most important question. Second wave of COVID, first से कितना different है? Or what is the second wave of COVID all about? Why are we having a second wave of COVID?
Okay, good evening, Isha. Thank you for having me here. The first question is just a moment. Yeah, the first question is why is this wave of concern and how is it different? So first of all, why do we call it a second wave? So as you are aware, in 2020 we detected the first case of COVID in India around March. Then the cases kept increasing, and they increased till September 2020, and then they gradually started decreasing. By Feb we were like almost coming back to normal, right? Like
Correct.
matches were happening, election rallies were happening, everything was happening, where big weddings were happening. So
Right,
the
right.
wave did not drop. What happened is in 2020, the cases from March to सितंबर जितने केसेस हुए ना उतने केसेस 2021 में फेब से मार्च में हो गए. सो आई यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग
Okay.
समथिंग दैट हैपेंड इन 6 months happened in 1 month, right?
Okay.
So our healthcare system is getting overloaded. We have limited number of doctors, nurses, oxygen supply, right? where
Right.
where do we get the infrastructure from? If a hospital can treat 5,000 patients and 25,000 patients are reaching there, how do we
Right.
decide whom to treat and whom not to treat?
Right.
Right?
Right.
That is why it is a concern. The speed at which this wave has reached Feb, March, right?
Hmm.
This is very concerning.
Right. Right.
Now the question is, why did this happen, Isha? There
Hmm.
are many unknowns, right? We are just
Hmm.
in hypothesis, but what is that we all think could be the possible reasons is there are certain
Hmm.
variants which are circulating in India. Okay,
Hmm.
so there are like 3 to 4 variants. There are many variants, but the variants of concern is the UK variant, the double mutant, the
Okay.
Brazilian variant, and a
Okay.
South African variant, right, Isha?
Okay.
So
Okay.
why are these variants causing such high increase or a fast increase in numbers? Is because
Hmm.
Isha, you are aware the viruses are known for changing themselves, right?
Right. Right.
So, it's a specialty of viruses. They just keep changing, they adapt with time. So, what
Hmm.
happened is earlier, if there was a person who had COVID and
Hmm.
for example, he's in the office, he's asymptomatic, he's a COVID positive person, he doesn't know about it, and
Hmm.
he's having food with 20 people, okay? Then
Okay.
there was a probability he would infect 5 to 6 people.
Right.
With these variants, he can infect 15 to 16 people.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
the way this virus is spreading from one person to another is at a very fast pace
Fast.
because of these
Mm-hmm.
variants, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's why you see the numbers have increased बहुत fast. एक reason ये
Fast.
है. Second
हाँ हाँ.
wave इतनी जल्दी क्यों आई?
जल्दी क्यों है?
दूसरा इसका कंसर्न ये है, हम सब पैंडेमिक फटीग हो गए थे. व्हाट इज पैंडेमिक फटीग? फटीग मींस थक गए.
थक
एंड
गए थे.
पैंडेमिक फटीग, राइट? वी ऑल वर
Right.
फेड अप स्टेइंग इनसाइड, नॉट मीटिंग आवर फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, रिलेटिव्स, नॉट गोइंग इन एनी फंक्शंस. So we thought now the curve has come down, vaccine
Come
has
down.
come in
Yeah.
India, and we all
Mm-hmm.
became little relaxed,
Yeah.
right? We were relaxed, the virus was not relaxed, and it was just changing.
Mm-hmm.
So we stopped following the precautions, which we all are very much aware about, and that's why
हाँ.
a new virus, which is faster, smarter, we were not smart and it acted upon us. So
सही बात है.
this is the reason why it spread so fast.
So and if do these mutations have any new symptoms? कुछ नए symptoms भी हमें देखने मिल रहे हैं of these, as you mentioned, there are many mutations of these viruses now. तो इसके
Yes.
क्या हमें कोई नए symptoms भी देखने को मिल रहे हैं?
Right, Isha. So Actually, we are seeing some new symptoms, but that does not mean कि जो last year symptoms हो रहे थे वो नहीं हो रहे थे. So just to
Okay.
enlist, what are the symptoms? I think we all are aware. There can be body ache, there can be weakness, there can be fever. Sense of smell is gone, sense of taste is gone. You can feel throat ache, right? Dryness in the throat, runny nose. You can have difficulty in breathing. But
Right.
this year with these variants, right? What are we seeing is some people just have headache, okay? So we may
Hmm.
think headache ही तो है ना. Some
समझ रहे.
people are having only diarrhea, so they think it's food
Hmm.
poisoning, but it's not
Right.
food poisoning, it's COVID.
Right. Right.
Then some people are coming with conjunctivitis, that is pink eyes,
Right.
right?
Right.
Some are just getting nausea, like they feel pukish, but they don't puke. So these are
Yeah.
some new symptoms of this virus. Also,
Okay.
Isha, I want to emphasize that this variant, there are some people who think that I got COVID earlier, so it's okay, like I won't get it now, I will have
Now.
antibodies. है
Yeah.
ना?
Yeah.
This is of concern. We are seeing many people
Hmm.
who got COVID earlier and now again they have got
Again,
COVID.
they have got it. Right.
So why this is happening is because Isha, there this new virus strains which I just mentioned some time back, they have
Hmm.
developed themselves in such a way that our immunity cannot detect them. This is called as
Okay.
immune escape mechanism. What do
Okay.
I mean by immune escape mechanism? Is Isha, for example, I had COVID last year, okay,
Huh.
and I have certain amount of antibodies now. So
Hmm.
in case the same virus enters my body, those antibodies
Hmm.
can kill that virus, right?
Okay.
Now, what this virus, new strain, UK variant or the double mutant, it has changed its appearance or its surface protein in such a way that though
Hmm.
I have antibodies, if the
You
UK
can't
variant
fight it.
enters my body, it will not detect it. It will go directly to the lungs. My body, though it has antibodies, will not be able to kill it. So
Right.
this is
Right.
very concerning. So just if you think that I
Right.
had COVID, I recovered from it, and अभी तो मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा, don't be under that
Hmm.
impression. Okay. So
Right. Right.
also, Isha, what has happened is we are noticing in this surge, it's affecting the young people more.
Yeah. Yeah.
People in the age group of 18 to 45 years of age. And these are
Hmm.
typically the people who go out more often.
Okay.
Whether for work, they are the bread earners, or
Fair
for
enough.
whatever reasons, they go out. And these
Yeah.
people are super spreaders because one person goes to office, then so many people have, right?
Exactly.
So it is also affecting children. Last year we were seeing that it does not affect children so much, but this
Hmm.
variant is affecting children. So it
Right.
of concern is three things: young people getting affected, 18 to 45 years of age, children getting affected, and in
Right.
spite of you having COVID last year, this year you can
You
again
getting it
get
again.
COVID.
So, is
These are
there any
concerns.
way that we can protect ourselves from the second wave?
Uh, yeah, there are certain ways, Isha. So, see, it's like now we are fighting a big war against this virus, right? So, we know why this second, we have some hypothesis why this virus is spreading so fast. We know
Right.
it has the ability to spread very fast, right?
Right.
So how can I protect myself if I know it spreads very fast? First
Hmm.
is do not go out until and unless it's necessary, at least for
To
next
go out.
4 weeks. Okay?
Correct.
Next 4 weeks in India are very, very crucial. Until and
Crucial.
unless
Right.
essential,
Right.
don't go out. Okay?
Right.
Second, I understand there are people who are essential service and they have to go out. They cannot
Right.
work from home, right? So how do you protect yourself, right? You have to wear mask all the time. All the time. Now the experts are suggesting wear two masks. One is an N95. Above that, wear a surgical mask.
What you call
Okay,
double mask. Yeah.
double mask. But I understand. I tried it myself. It gets a little suffocating for some people, right?
Okay.
So it may not work for you. So if you're not comfortable with two masks and you have to go to work every day, what you can do is you can wear one N95 mask and then you can wear a face shield, right? So
Okay.
the face shield, anything comes onto your face, the face shield protects you, right?
Protected. Correct.
This is
Correct.
one thing. So we are protecting ourselves from this virus because it spreads fast. So we are also taking double precautions now.
Double
We all
precaution.
know we know the sanitization aspect, and I don't need to talk about
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Social distancing. You have to
Yes.
sit far from each other and eat food, even if you're going to work and all. Now,
Yes.
if there is an essential service person and he has to travel, and if you have to travel by a cab, at times it's unavoidable, right? Do
Yeah.
not
Yeah.
keep the AC of the cab on.
Yeah.
Tell the driver all the windows down, no AC in the cab. The cab driver has to wear a mask. If he's not wearing a mask, ask him to wear it, otherwise
Wear
cancel
it.
the ride and book another. And you also wear
Absolutely.
a mask in the cab, right?
Correct.
These
Correct.
these are few precautions. See, now there is a lot of uh, data which proves that it's a droplet infection. So, for example, I'm going in a lift. There, somebody went from that lift who is also a COVID patient. Okay, he doesn't know maybe he's positive. He
Yeah.
sneezed in the lift. He sneezed
Yeah.
in the lift. So those droplets are there in the lift,
There in the
and
lift.
I'm not
Correct.
wearing a mask. I can get
Correct.
it.
You can get infected.
So lift is a closed space. There's a fan. It will throw those particles on you. Avoid
Correct.
lift if
Correct.
possible. But if you
Correct.
stay in a high-rise building or you have too much weight, you can't use the. You
Use the
cannot.
stairs.
You stay on the 20th floor. You can't use the stairs. Then
Yeah.
wear a mask in the lift and avoid talking to anyone in the lift. Right?
Correct. Correct.
These are certain precautions. Secondly,
Okay.
anyone in your family who's above 45 years of age, please get them vaccinated as soon as possible. The next 4 to
Correct.
5 weeks in India are very critical, and I request all of you, counsel your elderly to take the vaccine. Whichever vaccine is available near your house, please go and take that vaccine, right?
Correct.